starts with inspiration, seeing different things, meeting different people, always being curious about everything and everyone. In the beginning of the process, we put everything on the table and having ideas and different materials.
The need to have a prototype is very urgent in doing industrial objects because this is the proof of the concept where the objects that we imagine come to life. The mill table is really a good example of aesthetics and intelligent construction coming together. There's a very long straight cut which has to be produced with almost no tolerance to it to make the four pieces that form the legs stick together. It's a good example for working together with craftsmen that have the tools to do it. I think precision is very important because I think it gets unprecise from itself. So if you're really precise in the beginning also, you can avoid some mistakes. Also, the material wood, it's not the simplest material. It has different tolerances, it can shrink, it can move a little, and you have to think this into the way you work the wood. When you aim to make long-lasting objects that stay with the people that are using them every day for a long time, people also can connect to the objects, and this also adds a value over time, and this also is linked to using materials that are made for aging. When you think about the final product, then it's totally linked to everybody that has been involved in the process, from us as the designers having the initial idea, to the craftspeople, to the company.
We want everyone to be happy with the products we make.